Purpose of a nose contour, right, is to make something slimmer. Naturally, look at our nose or look at our face. This is my nose right here. This is called your nose bridge. You see, look at the nose. It has a natural indentation, indent, a part that is protruding inward here. That is where your glasses sit. Okay. Now, if you trace it downward, you see it comes down. You see, this is our nostrils. Let's call this the nose wings. All right. So if you follow the natural line straight up, this is our nose. So it's right there. But so when we are nose contouring, it means we want to make it either bigger or smaller. You understand? If you want to make something small wider, what do? You extend it outward. But if something bigger, you want to make it lean or a bit smaller or narrow, what do? You bring it close together. So when you're drawing your nose contour, okay, you don't want to follow, if you're following the natural line of your nose straight down, am I making any difference? No. So what do you want to do instead? You want to bring it inward. Okay, so now let me show you. You see, I've blended my under eye for the sake of this tutorial, as well as my nose. You see, middle of my nose. So now let's place our contour. 1 second, please. I can't edit this video, so pardon me if I'm all over the place. Now, to pick your contour shade, you can use a concealer or a foundation that is 2 to 3 shades darker than you. Okay, never use something that is your normal shade or a highlighter. No, you use a concealer or a foundation that is 2 to 3 shades for your nose contour. So now, this is mine for the sake of this tutorial. Look at it. I'll be using either this shade or this shade for you to see what I'm doing well, this or this. Okay, now let me grab this. This should be more obvious on my skin. It's darker than what I want. This is it. And if I'm not looking at you, I'm looking at the mirror. Now, to draw this nose contour, you see, like I said, if I follow the natural line, of my face naturally, this is what it will give me. I will end here. But now, to draw a nose contour, what do I want to do? You go inward a little bit. See? Just come inside. Do you see? For the other side, you do the same thing. You come in. You see? How narrow or how small you want your nose to be is how closer the line will be. Do you understand? And I'm using a contour shade that is really, really darker for me so you can see what I'm explaining. So how narrow or smaller, like I said, I reiterate, you want your nose to be is how close together those lines will be, all right? Now, when you draw it down here, you see your natural nose shape is not just here. You see, it extends upward. So what do you want to do? You bring it upward a bit. Do the same thing to the other side. I really hope you can see what I'm explaining. Do the same thing to the other side. Now, once you get here, you see here, just follow it naturally. Follow it naturally. Join it together. You see? Then over here too, when you get here, I really hope you can see me. I'm looking at the mirror so I can see what I'm showing you. Do you see what I'm explaining right now? Can you see? Do you see how you draw the line? This is exactly how you draw or place your nose contour. Naturally, you see, this is my normal. This is what I should be following. But is it making any difference? No. I'm just following what's there. But I want my nose to be a bit lean, more narrow. You see, I brought the line together. This is okay for me. Up to my nose bridge. Don't hand it here. You're gonna look like a clown because naturally your face has a bridge. This part protruding inward. Follow that line. Now, when you want to blend your nose contour, you can use a brush, okay? Or if you have a beauty blender, okay, use this side. Why? It allows for precision. Don't go blending your nose contour using this flat side. It's gonna spread everywhere. Use this angular part. It gives you more control. Now, when you're blending, okay, you blend. You don't ever drag. You always tap. Okay, and when you're tapping, you start from the edge. Let's see. Tap. Always tap on it. If you feel you want it to be more closer, a bit gently. You can bring it inward, but best bet, just tap on it. Tap on it. At the same time, it's gonna cover whatever harsh line it's formed from your under eye blending. Okay, so just tap, tap. Can you see the difference between blended and unblended nose contour? And we're not even done blending. Oh, let me fix my. Sorry, I can edit this video. Also, my phone is moving all over the place. You see? So you tap, tap. So never leave your nose contour unblended. Always tap. Let me blend the other side for you to see. You always, 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 always. I'm not dragging, no. You always take your time. Take your time to blend. Now, do you see that line forming? That bright one forming in the center of our nose. Exactly what you want for your nose contour. You see? You tap, you tap, you tap. Then when you get to here, you can use your brush. Just tapping, just little, not too much. If I'm not looking at you, I was looking at the mirror. Bring it to your eyebrow, okay? Comprendo? Yeah. That's that. So now when you're done, if you feel it cover too much of your highlighter over here, go back to the part where you used to blend your concealer. Just use it to tap it. So that way it closes that bridge a little bit. So the darkness does not extend too outward. Okay? Look at this part. Look at this part. Let's assume I'm picking a new concealer. Let's just assume. You know? Use it to just tap it a little bit. This video is not clean yet, but please kindly pardon me. Bring it. This is so once you're done, the part where you used to blend your foundation, just use it to tap over. Just to tap over your contour so it's not prominent. That harsh line won't be there. Can you see the difference? This is how you do it, because by the time you apply your setting powder and everything, it's now gonna make this whole part prominent. You can see that thin line. You can see the difference in the nose contour. I really hope this is explanatory in any way. Maybe over time I'll make more in-depth video, all right? But this should guide you in placing your nose contour. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you next time. All right, bye.